welcome to my new channel. This is my first one. I hope you give a thumbs up and like it. And we're doing a slime review. And let's go! First up, we're doing glitter slime, and I have not opened it. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. This is how it looks like. You can see it. And I'll tell you how it looks like. It feels like gel, and there's like, looks like a mermaid. And there's blue and pink sparkles. And it feels like gel, sticky. And if you want this one, never take it, because I accidentally took it. And if you're done playing, you have to wash your hands, because look what happens. There's sparkles on your hands. And it's not that stretchy, and I like it. You can see through it. And this is how it looks like. And let me put it back in. I'm sorry, that's the slime, because it farts too. Okay, and this slime is all mine. And let me get it. I need to restart this video.
No, it's okay. Keep going.
And it looks like I lost some slime, but it looks like this is an awkward video. Give me. And this is a gold slime, and I mixed green, red, yellow all together, and I made gold, and there's a lot of sparkles, and it feels like normal slime. And you can see it looks gold, and it has a lot of sparkles. And let me put it back in. That's the slime. It farts too. A lot of slimes fart, like this one. And next up, this is from Dollar Tree. Like this one is from Dollar Tree. But the rest I bought somewhere. I don't know. This one is, it says on the front cover, it said bubble glue. It's very sticky. And I have a lot of sparkles still. It's so squishy. It feels like, it looks red. It feels like, I don't know how it feels like, but it looks nice. Let me show you. And let me put it back in. Okay. And this slime is Silly Putty. It's at Dollar Tree too. I figured it out. And this one looks like a peachy. It feels hard. It looks peach. And I have glittery hands, and now it is glittery. And that's cool. It's so hard. It's not like slime, but it's hard. And you can stretch it, so it's very stretchy, and it's bouncy. And trust me, it's bouncy. And I'm going to show you. See, watch it if you're watching. Oh my slime. Sorry, I know it's bouncy, and you can peel it apart. I can't do it. Peel it apart. Here's like a rubber band when you put it back in, this horrible red egg. And this slime, it smells very good. It's pink. Comment down below which one do you like. And this one, it feels like, I don't know what it feels like, but it feels weird. It smells like watermelon. And it's so stretchy, not that much. It's like dough. And be quiet so you can hear this. I'm trying to fart. That's a slime. You already know that! Next up is jiggly, horrible black slime. Give me 10 seconds to open this. You can see it's black. It's black and it's wobbly. I already told you it's horrible. It feels jiggly and the color is black. And we have enough of this because it's annoying. Where's the O? Really? One second. Last one in the whole entire world. It is the yellow, stickiest. It smells like banana split, but I put peppermint in here for one reason. Why is my slime's a little bit of slime for one reason? It smells like banana. It feels so stretchy. Not that much. It's so squishy. And here it is, guys. I can't whip it out. And give a thumbs up. And which slime do you like? The farty slime that's green, the jiggly, horrible black slime, or the watermelon slime, or the really bouncy slime, or the gooey slime, or the Elzy slime, and the fancy shiny. And bye-bye.